So so hello guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Hello guys. Hello guys. Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you please write +1 in the chat if my voice is like completely audible? So interesting day today. We'll be having an interesting day today. We'll just go through my plan today. I'm not planning to trade today because like I'll just explain. We'll wait for a couple of members to join. This is gonna be a short live today. I'll be explaining why I'm not gonna trade, and we'll be going through my anticipation versus the 9:30 delivery. That's what we are going to work with today. Like I'm gonna live stream for the entirety, so we should be skipping the days which are low probable, and today is such day. So I'll be going through why I want this or I anticipate this day to be a low probability day, and we'll just go through the delivery if it is low probable or high probable. Guys, welcome to the stream, guys. How was your week so far? How was your week so far? We got a lot of time until 9:30 opening. We'll just go through some personal info. Two worst. Happens, bro. Happens, bro. Every knot is the same. Every week or every day is not the same. Every month is not the same. We have to go through some losing streaks. We have to end up negative to learn a lot. Those losing streaks will teach us more than the winning streaks. Great, guys. Great. So, okay. Welcome. So, whoever has joined the live, please do hit the like and subscribe button so that we can grow. We are having daily live streams and daily live trading sessions from all over the world. So we have Turkish people doing live streams. We have UK people doing live streams. We have Croatia people doing live streams. I personally am Indian people. I'm an Indian doing a live stream who is doing a live stream. We got lot of a diversation over whoever is doing live streams daily in the CFT Academy. And yes, do subscribe the channel and keep yourself notified. Right. So yes, we'll just go and mark my higher time frame levels, which I'm planning. So I'll just let you know what will be the draw is. Okay. This is our monthly range, main range. We had no body closures. I'll just use this new tool from the trading view. So this is our main range, right? Price has not closed bodies above this range. We also had a huge range candle, monthly candle, which was the November month's complete range. December, we gone through the highs. Friday was an indecision month. The January was an indecision month. February traded to the highs and the lows as well. So now the order flow is completely bearish. There is no PDRA or no supporting element in price which makes us to think that we are going to go higher. Order flow is bearish. We're gonna flow with the order flow, right? So if you ask me right now what would be my draw, we have this beautiful relative equal lows. So I wish or I anticipate price to go take the November's low, and then we'll eventually see this VIX see this low if price is continuing in the bearish order flow. This is our higher time frame and this is our monthly time frame. My main draw for the upcoming days would be this November lows, which is our sell side liquidity. And also I'll have to mark you the end marks, so new month opening gaps. So we have an end mark here. I'll have to give maybe this biscuit color would be good. Okay, so this would be our end mark, right? This previous month's closing, the next month's open, this is our end mark. And also we have our previous month's close and the next month's open, this is our end mark, right? We have another opening price here, but it's kind of the same. We have another thing here, but yeah, this is the relative thing. And also if you can see right here, prices came lower, not traded below or not traded to this end mark right here, and now price seems to be shooting higher. What pre-market plan today? Yeah, I'm just doing my pre-market plan. I'm just doing my pre-market plan here. So I'm building my narrative. So this is like top-down analysis. I'm building my narrative from the higher time frame levels to the lower time frame levels. Monthly, we are basically bearish, and the PDRAs here, which I find could be influential in the charts moving into the further session, I'm just marking right now. In the monthly time frame, I'll just mark the opening prices. I don't use candles or as a blocks, but I use them as opening prices, which I feel makes a bit more sense for me. So I have all the opening prices marked from September to the November, and prices trading around those levels. So I just mark those, and we have other opening prices here at the higher prices also, but we don't need that because price is not going to trade all the way to the highs right now. We'll be expecting some. Yesterday we had 500 handle move. The previous day we had 500 handle move. The previous day also we had a 500 handle move. 500 handle move. 800 handle move it was actually. Other day we had a 500 handle move. The other day we had a 500 handle move. And today I'm expecting the same. I'm expecting another 500 handle move. And if you can see, we have this beautiful end mark here, and we have also to have that sell side liquidity which we are marked inside the range, right? Inside the range we have that liquidity. So I'll just remove this October month's low, and weekly time frame, there is nothing significant for me to consider, right? Also, if you look at daily time frame, I can clearly see that the previous week's low, I mean previous day's low, and the present week's low, which was Tuesday's low, makes sense for me to target because I'm a trader who looks for confluence of PDRAs to target. If there is a single low, I'll not consider that. But if there is some sort of higher time frame PDRA, and this higher time frame PDRA for me would be most probably the end dogs, the end marks, and end walks and end yogs as well. So I'll be targeting these levels. This makes more sense to me. Like for the formation of SMR or even a draw, this makes more sense to me. I'll be targeting sell side liquidities. Those sell side liquidities resting above or below a higher time frame PD level. So that's basically your key level. And for me, the key level would be this yen yang, right? So I'm targeting these two. It could take today itself, or it could like trade to tomorrow, and also like tomorrow we have our okay, let me wait. Okay, today's Thursday. Tomorrow we have NFP, and for sure these lows will be getting taken out during NFP. And also, if you look at ES as well, this is ES for you guys. If you look at ES as well, we have relative equal lows, right? And also we are inside a range. Today could be a range as well. It is not a high probability day to trade. I if it trades, I want to see price getting to these relative equal lows. And if you look at the H6 time frame, because that is where I'll just add the indicator for you guys, so you can see the ticker and time frame here, right? I'm looking at these lows. I'm looking at these lows. Okay. I just want price to trade here. Okay. And is there something interesting? I don't find anything interesting because it's inside a gap, and the structure also doesn't make sense in H6 time frame. I'll just go to 4 hour time frame now because there is nothing significant. The 6 hour lows are taken here, but my anticipation, my narrative is I'm looking for lower prices. So these lows doesn't make any sense. I just want some inefficiencies at the higher time frame to just use some kind of support, right? Okay. This is your end mog, and price seems to be reacting at the end mog, but I'm not really confident with this right here. And this is your hourly time frame, and this is where you frame trades. Okay, so just I'm gonna engage with you guys. Okay, just look at this H6 time frame. Okay, H1 time frame. I've already told you that price is going to these lows, but just for the sake of you guys to pretend where it is going, okay, just this is your H1 time frame. Please forget whatever we have analyzed before, right? Please forget whatever we have analyzed before. Now, just looking at the bear chart without any marking, without indicators, where do you feel like price is going? It's either going up from here, or sorry guys, I'll not be able to do that. Okay. So looking at the charts, where do you feel price is going? Please drop your comments. I want to know like how many people are looking for buys and how many are looking for shorts. Let's keep it engaged, guys. This is how you learn. No, please forget what we have discussed. Be real. Be real. Where do you feel price is going? Either it's gonna go higher, attack the buy side liquidity, or it's gonna go low. If you guys telling me low, okay, why do you feel it is going lower? What in the chart is making you it's gonna go lower? See, because right, we have just looking at the charts, we have this size, we have these lows. This is an engineered liquidity, and this as well is an engineered liquidity. So we are consolidating and making this formation of the triangle thing, right? Price most probably could consolidate. In worst case scenario, it could follow the trend. We have this order block, and then it could go lower. So now, if you ask me, I'm able to frame narrative for both the sides of the price action. I am able to look for buys as well. I'm able to look for sells as well, but I'm leaning towards sell side. Why I'm looking for bullishness is this particular PDRA, because these are more sensitive to prices, because this being higher time frame PDRA, right? This will send prices, or price could react more here. So the thing is, I'm able to make narrative for higher prices and lower prices, but I'm leaning towards bearish prices. It's not like clear cut sells here. But if you ask me, in the time frame which you are looking at, we have an inversion FEG here, and price has traded below close, traded higher, came lower close, and right now we have this 1 hour order block. We have this beautiful breaker block here. Now from here, I'm expecting lower prices with whatever price has given me right now. Right now, with whatever prices has given me, right, I can expect price to sell off from here. But looking at the previous data, it's not clear that it could be a high probability day. And also looking at the economic calendar, what do we have tomorrow? What news do we have tomorrow? What news, guys? What's news? What's the news we are having tomorrow? Okay, I'll make the charts bigger. What news do we have tomorrow, guys? NFP. Okay, NFP, NFP, NFP. Great. Okay. A plus trader is here. Okay. Tomorrow we have NFP. What is the protocol for NFP? What is the protocol for NFP? Great, great. We do have NFP. We do have NFP. Thanks for answering. What is the protocol for NFP? Looking at the economic calendar, what is the protocol for NFP? Meaning, what is the high probability days during the first 5 days or the complete week? What are the high probability days and low probability days? Anybody? I'm looking for right answers, like perfect answers. Right. I'm getting mixed answers. Right. So the protocol is basically, yes, the protocol is basically we should stop trading at the Wednesday's AM session, and the previous session for NFP or any high probability day, if you ask me, is a low probability day. And right now you can see the heaviness. Price gone into the previous H1 candles rejection block. The same happened here. I'm looking for sales, but it's not like a high probability day for you to look for sales. We are 10 minutes away from the open. We'll just go to the 30-minute chart. What do we have in 30-minute chart? So previous 1 hour chart, it's inside bar candle. There are high chances that it could go higher, take any like buy side liquidity and come lower, or directly fall down from here or fell down from here. Right, we are 10 minutes away. Right, 30-minute candle. There is nothing for us to look at. 15-minute candle. There is still choppiness in price. 5-minute candle. There is not a lot of move. Do we have any SMT? So yes, kind of we do have an SMT. We have a displacement after SMT. That's gonna make it like for us to displace, right? We have an SMT here, and also we seems to be like closing below the H1 inversion FEG. We have all these lows here. We have all these lows here. Okay. I'll just go to my this thing crossed, and this is my 5-minute chart. This is my 15-minute chart. If you look at it in higher time frame, I can I don't see a lot of information here. During these days, I'll just remove this. I'll mark my 8:30 opening, and we'll look at price in terms of the opening prices. This gives or this makes more sense. This is your 8:30 opening, right? This is your 8:30 opening. Yeah, I'm coming to Nvidia. Don't rush. I'm coming to Nvidia. Like, we have to form a basic narrative here in NQ, and we have to use that narrative to look for trades or confirmations in Nvidia, right? So if it closes below this thing, I'm like very confident that it's gonna go for the lows, attack the lows right here. But it's not a higher probability condition, so not gonna push buttons. Okay. Price is reacting off of the H1 FEG, and 15-minute we have all these beautiful lows. That low is gonna give you like 30 handles of move. Right now I'm looking for sales. We have our 8:30 opening here. We have our true day opening where this particular candle is our true day open. We are in too much discount. If you consider this thing, right, if you consider the 8:30 opening and the 2-day opening, we are at a too much discount. We are at a too much discount to go for sales. So this completely feels like an accumulation, and what could happen is we can go lower, take these lows, and then go for highs. Clear all these lows and then come lower, attack all the sell side liquidity which is resting below. So now price has closed below. That's your L model formation for you to go short. Now, as a confirmation, we'll just go look at Nvidia. Where Nvidia is going to open. fuck, it's gonna open lower. What does that indicate? Or let's study. Okay, this is a low probability condition for me to engage. I'm not gonna risk any live money here in this condition. At this provided condition, I'm not gonna risk anything. Nvidia, if you look at prices, it's opening at a massive gap down. Massive gap down. I'll clear all those things. Okay. Yesterday I was using this to trade. If it is opening in gap, where could it go? Like, what is the drawn liquidity that it could go? We have this sell side liquidity. Where? We have this sell side liquidity, but price is already opening at a discount. So that should also be considered. But that opening push or drop lower will send NQ lower. That drop is gonna send NQ lower. I'm just gonna take a paper trade. We just gonna look at price if it wants to like go lower. Sorry guys. Sorry. This is guys, disclaimer is there. This is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purpose only. This is a paper trade right here. Okay. I'm not gonna risk my live money. So if this hits SL, this is a high probability trade. We have our L model formed. We are 5 minutes away. And also looking at the 5-minute closure here, it's solid, right? The trade, like looking at this solid. We also have our 5-minute closure below the previous candle. And also we have our H1 inversion FEG. Also our stop loss is above proper highs. Everything is perfect. We are inside our NVOG. Right. Everything is perfect. Okay, no trade whole week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, high probability day. Okay, perfect. Still, it's not a high probability day, but I can see or justify where price could go during the open. Because Nvidia is opening at a massive gap down. What does that indicate? Nvidia being highly correlated and high market cap stock inside the NQ is opening at a massive gap down. Massive gap down. So what does that indicate actually? What does that actually indicate with NQ? It's gonna fall, right? It's heavy. A major stock, a major stop is opening at a gap down of almost 3%. So at least NQ could move like 100 handles. NQ could easily move like 100 handles, and this is our TP, guys. So this is my partials one. This is where I'll be covering a partial. If you look at like L model, what is an L model? Okay, what is an L model? So L model is basically a confirmation model. Okay, this could also give you bias. This could also like give you your context or the way you frame trades, or you can also use it for entries. So L model is basically you will be looking at the candles, highs and lows. And here, this is my confirmation, but I'm late. But still, considering the drawn liquidity, I'm not that late. We have this particular candle and price has closed below this previous candle. And that is my confirmation. I'll just go short at the open. Next candle's open. Stop should be below the previous candle. But since the conditions are very, very low probable, I'm just going with the good stops. Price could go here, tap this order block and still come lower because the conditions are not that great. This is L model. We also have L model formed in 5-minute time frame if you look at these lows. So, but my proper L model stop loss placement at a high probability time would be here, the present candle or the previous candle's low. But since the probabilities are not in my side, I am just going with these size, white stops. I'm not going to risk any live money today, considering the condition where we are having tomorrow. This is just to anticipate opening sell off. This is just a condition like to trade or anticipate the opening sell-off, we could completely go wrong. We could absolutely go wrong. We have our PM lows right here at what? At 2440. I guess we are below that, and we are also having the previous day's low here right here. So that would be our target. We are opening also below the PM session's low. But the thing is like, oh, sorry. Okay. The thing is like, price is opening at a massive gap down during the open. We just expect price to sell off immediately. Sell off immediately. Right now gonna move my stops a bit. Okay, I'm moving my stops a bit. Oh, we have our opening right here. Nvidia has open gap down. See, Nvidia has open gap down. I fucking told you guys. I'm fucking told. I'm gonna move my stops to break even right here. Right. Just gonna do a single partial. Perfect. I'm gonna do a single partial. Okay, perfect. It's locked in. We have a single partial here. I really love doing this, guys. I really don't. Great. See, I didn't add anything. If it was a high probability day, I would have taken an entry. If it was a high probability day, I would have taken an entry. Because it being a low probability day ahead of NFP, I didn't push live or buttons in my live account. Nvidia, see, it's opening at a massive gap up. Now we could go higher, easy. We could go higher if this gap doesn't sustain, because we are opening at a huge gap down. Directly it could go take all those lows. But since the gap is like massive, we can expect price to go fill at least 25% or 50% of the gap and continue in the same direction, going lower. But we are heavy. We are completely heavy, and I want these lows. I want the previous day's lows. Guys, if you learn something interesting, I would love for you guys to do some reactions here. I will be very happy, because getting bashed in social media left and right for taking a loss, it doesn't mean shit. We are not the guys with 100% win rate. Of course, we do take losses. Last live, we did the same. I had a pre-market plan. I justified the pre-market plan with the price action right now. And I entered trades. And last time was also a low probability condition, and I executed in paper because I was up the whole week. I was nicely up the whole week, so I didn't want to risk any money during the end, like live streams. Going forward, I'm planning to do see. Where did the candles high go? This is precision. This is fucking precision. The NMOG. For a retail, still I am also a retail trader, since ICT like taught all the stuff. Now I want this FEG to be a breakaway gap. I just want price, this particular FEG to be a breakaway gap, since price has closed below the previous candle's low. But I am just giving it more room, since the conditions are not too great. It could go higher and then come lower. But we have our balanced price range. We don't want price to go all the way to the highs, but depending on the market conditions, it could change. Oh, wait. No rate. Okay, no. Yep. Always Nvidia is the only key to sell. Precise stuff. Perfect. Okay. I'm already paid off. I'm already paid for the trade. I would have closed my trade with good profits if I had taken it in live. But still, you have to anticipate lower probability conditions. You'll have to anticipate lower probability condition. 45 people watching. How was the stream, guys? How was the stream? How was the anticipation and all? This is how we guys do it daily. But since live streaming is like uh, new to me, I'm planning to be defensive, and I'll be all in from March, guys. I'll be all sorry April. I'll be all in. Live trades, no demo from March. Even not even like uh, what the evals. We'll be doing all live. I'll be getting an account. I'll do my what my documentation, like how do I perform in live, because these are the statistics I want. To be honest, these are all the statistics I want to like maybe what understand me, know more about me when I'm gonna do this full time. So these are all the statistics I want to have. And as you can see, we have our 930 size first size taken out, and we can see some rejection. Let's see. This is how we evaluate all these. And right now, since I just want to close, and from there I can move my stops to break even. So see how this stop loss placement is. Doing demo is not at all wrong, guys. Do you have exams or something? Yes, bro, I have exams. I have exams, bro. Tomorrow I have a presentation, and having that presentation, amid this presentation, I'm doing this live here. Yes, these are commitments, right? These are commitments. That is what I was talking about. That is what I was talking about. Perfection. Perfection. Fuck, who can do this all live? Who can do this all live, guys? See, this is paper. This is paper. If it was a high probability condition, I would have entered. I would have for sure entered. Now price is closed below the previous candle's low. That's your L model again. That's your L model again. That's another entry right here. I'm studying what better trade managements right now. So okay, guys, if someone is in the NQ charts actively doing it right now, can you please let me know when ES take these lows? That's how you do it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, if the candle closes below the previous candle, I'll just move my stops again to the previous candle's high. What is the previous candles or that particular candle's high? This candle without any body. Do you have a Discord or something? Yes, you do have a Discord. It's for Tamil people. Our primary language of communication is Tamil. So if you are someone who is other than Tamil, still you can join, but you'll not be able to understand what we guys are speaking. That's a problem here. Damn, this is how we deal with it. I'm more than happy if it gets stop loss. That's a management of trade. That's how we manage trade. We have our 5-minute FVG forming. Price could go tap the 5-minute FVG and then it could come lower. Chances are there. But I really feel I just want to get to all these lows. But fine, that's fine. Still, price can go take these highs and later come down, take all the stop. The lows. This is how the trade management is. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So, perfect management of trades here. Executions, labels, right? All live, all live, all live, all live. So yes, guys, I'm done for the day. Hope you guys learned something insightful, and yes, until next time, stay safe. I love you all, guys. Bye.